Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to find your YouTube streaming key. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing we need to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to youtube.com. And if you haven't already, what you're going to need to do is just sign into your account. And then to get your stream key, what you need to do is actually click the this little kind of video camera up here in the top right hand corner. And then you want to come down and click onto Go Live. So once this is loaded through, you're going to see it's going to ask you some options. So which you're going to click right now. And then click that just to get everything started. And then what you want to do is just click onto the stream option, which is here in the menu on the left hand side. So this is going to actually open up your stream. Obviously it's not going to start until you've connected your software. So if you use something like OBS, then you'll need the stream key to paste into OBS to start the stream. And if you actually look down the page, you'll see that the stream key is down here. So it's down here, and all you need to do is click the copy button. You want to be very careful with this because basically it's blocked out because it kind of acts like a login to your stream. So if you accidentally reveal this, then people can obviously use that to log into the stream and they'll be able to put stuff out there, So for best practice, it's better to just leave this covered up and click the copy button. And then what you would do is come across to your streaming software. So if you're using something like OBS, for example, and you'll see there will be a section in there to paste a stream key, which is going to link your streaming software to YouTube. And yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you'll be able to get your stream key to go live. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.